What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Angel Rider. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make origami a dinosaur. Maybe, yeah, I say in the end it's a parrot or a dinosaur, guys. That's fine. Yeah guys, so first thing you need a square paper from the corner. Yes, from the corner, fold it like this, guys. In the other room there are my family members. They were talking, so I came in this room. So guys, I made it already, and the lines you can see, I'm going to make it like this. First you make it like this from the corner. No, first like you fold it like this, then you open it, then you make it from the corner like this. The same you do to down part. The down part also you do like this. You gotta get like this, then you close it like this. Guys, outer part should be like this. Like you should get a triangle. This area you won't get a triangle. This area you will get a triangle over here. Yeah guys, so you've done it. Then the side in which you have this triangle, what are you doing here? Guys, whatever. So this part where triangle is there, fold it, little gap you leave, fold it down. You see me guys? This triangle part, only the triangle part, not the other part. You fold it down. Guys, you'll get something like this. And over here you get some straight line. Guys, afterwards, this where the straight line is, you fold a straight line inside. See, this is the straight line. The straight line should go outside. There should be no straight line over here. This area you'll get some one line and one line. This thing is the foot of the dinosaur or the parrot. Now this area, I think this one or this one. Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, this area you guys see. Put your thumb in this area. Push it down. You pushed it down from this. Put it inside, and when this goes in, close it. Guys, it didn't be little good. Well, let me do it again. It means you understood. Wait, put a thumb in this part. Fine. Now from this place, put it down, and this place you press it so that it goes inside. When you get like this over here, this two parts, this and this, close it. Put a finger it's inside, and with these two fingers, the middle one and the thumb, you close it. Enough, it's done. Guys, does it look like a parrot or a dinosaur? Please comment me down there and make it good. Most of you will say, you made it like a bitch. Yay. No, I think I should do it like, no, it looks very bad. Guys, I bring a sketch or something to make it some little better. Please wait for a second. Oh, I have 64 subscribers. Bruh. Guys, do you know this viral face of Joker on TikTok? I show you. Do I look like that? Please comment down here. I'll do it one more time. Do I look like that? So guys, so this area where we folded this thing, you make a dot over there. Guys, I'm doing it with green color, but you can do anyway. This is the one eye of the dinosaur or the parrot. This is the other eye of the dinosaur or the parrot. Guys, so then you can make some. You can make some like this. You see, guys. I'll make it afterwards, but this same you can do the other side. You see. And my brother's trying to enter the door. So guys, subscribe my channel, like it, share it, ring the notification, and comment down in the comment section how was my video. Please, I request you subscribe my channel and notification. If the aim for the likes, like most of the people, the YouTubers, they put aim for the likes. This video aims for more than 3 likes. I know we're just starting it, so I'm putting only more than 3 likes. So guys, subscribe my channel and ring the notification, the main thing. Yeah, so bye. Peace, bye.